Girl, me know you're from 30, now you're rich 21. Me know you're from 30, now you're rich 21. You left from Jamaica and you're gonna Indiana. And what the I see, say me can't understand. Say me see you with a big monkey man. Me say me see you with a big monkey man. Me say you used to be me companion. A girl you say me must have to be your man. You left Ghana foreign, say you gonna make plan. Me never see your face up a graduation. But now you come back with a big monkey man, right? And now you come back with a big monkey man. The girl used to live next door. Her family was rich, my family was poor. Her mother never want me to knock on her door. She never want me to see her no more. We make arrangement to meet by the seashore. We make arrangement to meet by the seashore. But you down there with the big monkey man. They say you're down there with the big monkey man. It's been a very long time since our separation. But now the time come for a reunion. But what me I see, say me can't understand. They say you prefer that the big monkey man. They say you prefer that the big monkey man. They say she have a baby, I know she turn a lady. And everything she do, me say they drive me crazy. And that is the end of a sad story. And now me settle down and me get married. My wife looks so nice, people call her sexy. The same monkey man take her away from me. And that seems to be my life's goal. And now she gone with the big monkey man. Hey, me say she gone with the big monkey man.